Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Nasirah Binti Kamaruzaman. I'm a student of Universiti Teknologi MARA, UiTM Jasin Melaka. Currently, I'm a degree student in Bachelor Honours Net-Centric Computing, and right now, I'm doing my internship here at Visitech Sdn Bhd. In this video, I'll be talking a few topics regarding my journey as an intern at Visitech Sdn Bhd. Visitech Sdn Bhd is a subsidiary of the parent company Visual Instrument and System Innovation Sdn Bhd. The company focusing on utilizing software and hardware tools from National Instrument. With these skills and competency, the company has successfully penetrated into several key industries, including marine and offshore, manufacturing, aerospace, energy and research development. The company managed to get the highest trust far is being awarded the silver status by National Instrument for the Alliance Partner. Visitech Sdn Bhd specializes in web and mobile application development and multi-tier system integration. I've been doing my internship for 5 months now, starting from March until August. And throughout this whole period, I've been learning a lot of new things. And some of it I get to apply in the job, which I learned theoretically during my studies. By the time I've come to the company, they already have ongoing project, and much to my luck, I get to get involved in 2 of the project. I get to contribute in the ECSO project, which is System E-Community Service Order for Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat. The second one is MyFax project, which is Perkhidmatan Pembangunan Sistem Malaysia Franchise Express for Kementerian Perdagangan Dalam Negeri dan Hal Ehwal Pengguna. Throughout the project, of course, they will come with challenge. One of it is using Laravel framework and PHP language. It is a bit difficult for me for the first time, considering I've jumped from the Django framework and Python language to Laravel and PHP. But thankfully, with the guidance of my supervisor, which giving the interns to learn Laravel within a month with a complete resource, I've managed to catch up and contribute to the project. Along the period of my internship, I also get to explore other roles, such as system tester, system UI designer, system documenting like user acceptance test and final acceptance test script. I also learned how to deploy WordPress and play around with the WordPress feature. At the end of this journey, I get to see and learn a lot of new things. Thank you to the company for exposing me to a lot of things and make me realize on which part do I want to continue my next journey. And I never thought that I could manage to master Laravel in such a short time. I guess it's true what they say. When you have a good environment around you, things will get much more easier and you will enjoy doing it all along. To all the interns that is still searching for a place to do your internship, please do come here because they will give you a lot of benefit to learn, and you are much more exposed to industry because they will teach you how the industry works rather than making an exception to you guys as an intern. Last but not least, I would like to thank Visitech Sdn Bhd for welcoming me as an internship for their company. Thanks to the opportunity given, I am able to experience a real working experience. I also admire the support and knowledge given from all staff of Visitech Sdn Bhd throughout the 20 weeks duration of my internship, especially my industry supervisor, Encik Aham Zulkarnain. Altogether, they have taught me various stuff that are useful for my future working environment. So once again, I would like to say thank you, Visitech Sdn Bhd.